It's Christmas Eve. Now, normally on Christmas Eve, I celebrate Christmas because my mother-in-law is Swedish. However, this year, she's actually visiting family in Sweden. So instead, we thought we would spend a Christmas Eve with my sister and my nephew. So here is me getting ready. Thought I would put bows in my hair because why not? It's Christmas. Even though I am going to a farm. I mean, I don't think I'm really dressed appropriately, but I look cute. So yeah, I am just obsessed with this cord tracksuit from Named Collective. Bought some presents with me because I'm not actually seeing my sister tomorrow on Christmas Day. And then we drove over to Jimmy's farm. We had some lunch and opened some presents. Here is Bodie, my nephew, opening some books we got him. He is obsessed with Disney and obsessed with books. After lunch, we had a mooch around Jimmy's farm to see what animals they had. This place is so cool. There's some animals that I've actually never seen before here. Here is me being really brave and feeding some goats. I would never normally do something like this, but they were actually so gentle. Also, how cool are lemurs? They even had Arctic wolves and a polar bear. They actually rescued this polar bear from a zoo that was shutting down. Oh, and a camel. Definitely worth a visit to Jimmy's farm. It was really good. Headed back home to the doggies and to open up our Christmas Eve presents. This is our first time doing anything Christmas Eve because obviously we normally celebrate Swedish Christmas. So we thought we'd go all out this year. We bought each other matching pajamas. That was actually by accident. A Christmas jumper each and then an extra few little goodies. And oh my God, Robin got me one of the coolest presents. I see these lights all over TikTok and I've always wanted one. How freaking cool does my bedroom look? Safe to say I'm easily pleased. Even got the doggies some matching bandanas to the pajamas that I got Robin. Shadow did not want to wear his, but I forced him. He was all right in the end, bless him. I mean, we look adorable together. Then we spent a few hours on the sofa, cuddled up. I had some cheese and crackers for dinner. Give me all the cheese. I mean, I shouldn't be having it, but you know, it's Christmas. Took the doggies for a nice little Christmas Eve walk and finished the night off with Home Alone 2.